Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hope that you guys are doing great. My name is Lexie. If you guys don't know, but you can call me Lexie. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. Not really sure exactly what I'm going to be doing in this vlog, but right now I was literally just taking content. And also let's talk about my makeup because it's eating today. And you know what I did? I applied setting spray before I applied my powder, my setting powder, which is probably not a good idea, but I did it and my makeup looks like Uchi's makeup. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like I'm getting there, you know. It's looking good, it's looking good. Anyways, I was just taking content right now, and this is the outfit I'm wearing. I was taking like an Instagram reel, so I think it came out really well. I just need to edit right now and then make sure that I post it on TikTok, and then I also posted on Instagram if it's really that good. So yeah, and then I'm also gonna head out to go get my brothers. You guys probably see me doing the same thing every single week, but here I am going to get my brothers today from school because it's Wednesday and everybody goes to work on Wednesday except for me. I took down this thing because I don't want it to be in my pictures. Also, I want to repurpose this. I'm done with my face. I don't want to wake up to see my face anymore, so I'm just gonna paint this whole thing white and then try to create something artsy, or just leave it white and use the white as the painting, the wallpaper, I guess. So yeah, right now I just have to tidy up. It looks kind of a mess, so I'm just gonna tidy up and then we'll catch up later when I go get my brothers. And yeah, I ain't good enough. I still love you. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the time change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe. Morning, guys. Today we are going to school. I'm ready to go actually. I'm so exhausted, you guys don't understand. Don't wanna go, but anyways, have to go. Hope you guys are doing good today. My lips are so dry, I need to moisturize my skin. I'm just wearing a bomber jacket, tank top, and these pants. I got these pants from Shein, this top from Mr. Price, I think, this jacket from Yellow Sub Trading. And yeah, my stomach has been running this whole morning. I don't know how I'm gonna survive at school, but anyways,
Let's go, guys. It's getting late.
It will be your clearing engine. It will be your transporter.
I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at.
It's so hot and the traffic was not that bad, guys. I thought it was gonna be bad. I'm sweating. Can you guys see this though?
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Hi guys. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long. Guys, it's been a week since all of the clips that you've been seeing before this. It's been a week. The last time I vlogged was last Thursday or Wednesday. Yeah, if I tell you the week I've had, you guys will never believe me. But anyways, I just got back home now and I hope that you guys are good. Like, honestly, there's not much to show, but yes, my week has been very busy, but it's not the type of content that I want to put out there, you know. Sorry for the noise. I got a package today and let's unbox it. Not really sure, but I do have an idea. I think it's Vida's life, if I'm not mistaken. So let's unbox it. Can't wait. And it's actually a campaign that I'm doing. So anyways. Ooh. One night. Okay. Ooh, I love a brand that puts effort into their packaging. So let's see what we have inside. How does it look? I really do hate these things. Like, there's no need. The new styling gel. We have conditioning scalp and hair oil, which repairs and strengthens. An edge gel, foaming and set foaming mousse. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please do hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go cook.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free.